Welcome to PigCHAMP. This video is intended to show our PigCHAMP clients who use the Topigs Norsvin Interface how to install the data exchange alongside their program. The PigCHAMP program allows for data entry of reproductive and girl finish information while providing the extensive reporting functionality and detailed validation that you've come to expect. PigCHAMP offers multiple installation options depending on your environment. For those clients that wish to maintain an in-house option, we have a PigCHAMP Enterprise version that can be installed locally. For clients who wish to have online access, we also offer PigCHAMP hosted in a safe and secure cloud environment, eliminating your need for maintenance and IT. PigCHAMP offers multiple different interface options from genetic companies to electronic sow feeding systems. Please contact our sales team if you are interested in using them alongside your PigCHAMP program. To set up the Topigs Norsvin interface, please watch this video and refer to your user guide. Please note your PigCHAMP program will need to be on version 9.7.1, build 996 or higher. For the exchange between the PigCHAMP program and Topigs Norsvin to occur, we recommend that the program be installed on a network or a personal computer that has the ability to stay on 24/7. For new PigCHAMP Enterprise clients, please head over to the PigCHAMP website to download the most up-to-date version before you begin the installation process. For current PigCHAMP Enterprise clients, please validate your program version, and if needed, please visit the PigCHAMP website to download the update. Before we begin the installation process, make sure that you have a recent backup of all your data, and once that is completed, make sure you close out of the PigCHAMP program on all of your devices. Once you are logged out using either the Enterprise Installation Guide or the Update instructions, follow the wizard and guides until you have the ability to select components. As you may see, there are suggested selections or default selections that are already selected to be added as components to install. Make sure you also select the scheduling service on a computer that will be running 24/7. After the installation or update has been completed, please make sure to validate that the scheduler service is running. In order to check for the scheduler service, select your Windows Start button, type in the search bar Services, and then select the Services app result and validate that the status is running. If the scheduler service is not running, select PCSCH from the list and either select the option to select Start from the upper left-hand corner or right-click on the PCSCH and select the Start option from the menu. Once you have validated that the scheduler service has started, close out of the Services window. Once you log back into the PigCHAMP program, a prompt to connect the scheduler service to your PigCHAMP database may pop up. Make sure to validate that the location is correct and select Yes. We are next going to be setting up the interface exchange with Topigs Norsvin. The Topigs Norsvin exchange is an automated interface that once it is defined and properly linked to the PigCHAMP program, it will exchange data between the two systems for farms identified for InGene daily. You will need to define the farms that you want to be included in the exchange and also provide a time of day that the exchange needs to occur. For each farm that is to use the interface, you will need to add or validate that the InGene number that has been provided to you by Topigs Norsvin is associated with each farm in your PigCHAMP database that is to exchange data. For existing Topigs Norsvin clients, please follow these same steps to validate that your 6-digit InGene code is correct and available. Select the farm and then go to Farms, Farm Identification, and select Alternate Identities tab. In the Identity Name dropdown, select InGene. Once selected, then enter the identity that has been provided to you by Topigs Norsvin in the value field. Once that has been completed, click on the add sign to the right to associate the new identity to the farm. When defining the time of day for the exchange, please make sure that you consider the farm end of day and when data has been entered or is being updated, when backups occur for your networks, and can your network or computer be left on while the exchange occurs during the defined time. Once you have decided on the time, you will need to activate the interface. Go to Tools, Post Data to Topigs Norsvin API. If the Post Data for Topigs Norsvin API is not available, please go back and verify that the InGene number is available in your alternate identities list. From the drop-down option, select Production. Depending on your InGene number, you will see one of two options: Change Animal Synchronization or Farm Synchronization requested by Topigs Norsvin. Either one is correct, however the option should not be blank. If it is blank, please re-verify that their InGene number is correct. If your InGene number is correct, please contact PigCHAMP at techsupport@pigchamp.com. Please make sure to select the box for schedule post and then set the 24-hour clock for the time you wish to sync the data. As a reminder, it is best to set the clock after your data entry is completed for the day. Then close out of the Topigs Norsvin tool. Make sure to repeat this process for each of your farms that needs to exchange the API within the database. If necessary, each farm can have different exchange times if needed. There is additional setup that needs to be completed within the PigCHAMP program to ensure that accurate data is exchanged with InGene. You will need to map your dictionary, define your piglet identity link, and add fields to various events. Please visit our YouTube channel for the next video on how to set up your data entry events for the Topigs Norsvin data exchange setup. You will also find these links provided below in the description. Now that the installation has been completed, the API exchange will occur daily at the time you have predefined each InGene farm available in your database. After the initial exchange, your Topigs Norsvin representative may reach out if there are any data discrepancies to help you troubleshoot and address issues within your PigCHAMP program. Let us know if you need any additional help or press the F1 key while in the PigCHAMP program to access the help files. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our support line, email our sales team, or visit our website.